Are you worried about your job security or about your business? Look, the only people who are going to find themselves without work in the new economy are the people with fixed mindsets and the people who refuse to learn and develop new skills. You see, technological advancement, it is not a new thing. 100 years ago, in the European landscape, 90% of work was agriculture. Today, it makes up of around 10% of work, but at no point were 90% of Europeans out of work. Technology is developing really fast, but first and foremost, this is a mindset shift, not a technology shift. Ways of working will always evolve. Ways of running businesses will always evolve. Ways of managing people will always evolve. New ways of work will be created, but if you have a growth mindset, if you continue to learn new skills and focus on bringing value, you will always have a job or create a business. The only businesses and individuals that suffer are those who refuse to change because this is how we always have done it. The only constant is change. The only opportunity is adaptation. According to the International Data Corporation, global digital transformation spending is expected to reach $2.3 trillion by 2023, and this figure is probably going to increase in a post-COVID-19 world. We witnessed digital transformation when new unicorn startups emerged that capitalized on digital technology such as Uber and Grab. Both companies were born out of completely new business models. Neither Uber nor Grab owns the vehicles, and yet the economic value and wealth they create is enormous. Similar is Airbnb. Now, the mindset shift that is needed in digital transformation is towards a growth mindset. I believe there are three main reasons as to why some employees and some business owners resist digital developments. Number one, lack of understanding of the context. For example, why are we going digital? Number two, insufficient alignment. For example, I'm already so busy, why do I need to learn this? Number three, having a fixed mindset. For example, everything keeps changing, I'm too old for this. In the past 6 months, many of you had been forced to learn digital tools because otherwise you were unable to work remotely. In other words, you comforted your fears because you had to. You Googled, you experimented, and found that it is not so intimidating after all. And that's exactly why a growth mindset is so crucial to success in digital transformation. A growth mindset towards digital transformation creates a space for creativity and collaboration. In his book on the origin of species, Charles Darwin wrote, "It is not the most intellectual of the species that survives, nor is it the strongest, but the one that is most adaptable to the changing environment in which it finds itself." Indeed, we live in truly unprecedented times. 15 years ago, when I was in the UK, I was running my businesses and managing people in a complete different way and with complete different tools that I'm using today. But my mind is not staying there. The past is the past. Yet we can still focus on what we can control, our mindset. The post-COVID-19 world will look vastly different from the world we used to know. Let's choose to embrace digital transformation, learn new skills, and adapt.